My neck is fuzzy. Make big deposits. My gloss is popping. You like my hair? She thinks just bought it. I see it. I like it. I want it.
Guys, I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Danny Monique, and what's up to all of my Dustin's Roses? Please do not leave here without liking my ish and subscribing, okay? Cause your girl is participating in Vlogtober. Today is what? Vlogtober day 5. Oh yeah, your girl doing it. But let me tell y'all, I am so excited. When I say I'm so excited, your girl is excited. Excited. I cannot say it. I'm so excited. I'm excited, okay? Because your girl got her pop-on veneers, okay? Her pop-on veneers, okay? You know, most people want to get their butt done. Most people want to get their breasts done. Most people want to do all types of stuff to their body. But for me, I love myself. I've grown to love myself a lot, and thank you God I'm there. But the only thing that I dislike on myself is my teeth. Most people like to tell me my teeth are beautiful and straight, but they are straight, they are pretty. But as you guys notice, I know you guys notice, I'm missing a tooth here and I'm missing a tooth here. So when I smell, you guys can see that. Like, no, ew, no. So let me go ahead and give you guys the details on pop-on veneers and the process, and then your girl is gonna try these bad boys. Oh, I am so excited. Like, y'all don't know, I can't wait to be smiling. I can't wait. So go ahead.
With pop-on veneers, they send out a kit so you can do your impressions of your teeth. Then you send it back and they get it within 2 days, and after those 2 days they take about 2 weeks to do your teeth. And I do recommend that you try to follow the directions very good, because if not, you're gonna have to send them back and they're gonna have to send another kit out like I had to do. So it really 2 weeks, man, that it was supposed to take, it took like almost a month, which, you know, you got to do the right thing. So these are the shades that they provide. I chose the natural white because I don't want a Hollywood smile, because I feel like I will definitely look like a cartoon character. So this is what is in the box. When you open the box, it says thank you for choosing pop-on veneers, and this is what is in here. You get a brand new toothbrush, of course. Then you get your molars. I'm going to show you guys that in a minute, and it looks like a little card in there. These are my pop-on veneers, and this is a case that I can carry with me when I go somewhere. It looks very durable and very small and compact, so that's very awesome. Then you get some dissolved tablets to put your veneers in, and this is just telling you what to do. And then they also give you a referral. Give friends and family 20% off of pop-on veneers. Review the veneer kit, review your pop-on veneers, and share. Yeah, cheers. Can't we wait to hear from you. Okay, so that was what was in the box. Let me show you guys my molars. So this has to be the bottom ones, and these have to be the top ones. So you can see all the missing teeth back there and everything. So let's see what this little card is about. Congratulations on your smile. All right, that's a little celebration, baby. Okay, just a little card that says thank you, and then free gift, your 3 teeth molars. See yourself 100% custom made. And oh yeah, obviously your teeth are your teeth, so this stuff is custom made. So let's get into what y'all came to see. So these are my teeth before.
You got your own little mirror there. That's cute. And these are my pop-on veneers. Please rinse before you sterilize. But yeah, we're definitely gonna do that. Y'all can wait for a second while I do that. Ooh, these are big. Ooh, they feel like plastic, you guys. But okay. So these are my tops and these are my bottoms. So you guys, I'm gonna put these on. They snap on, and I want you guys to in the below tell me what you guys think about veneers, okay? Because this is my first time. Like, no one has seen it, so you guys see it first. My cousins of roses see this first, okay? So this is my bottoms. I'm gonna go ahead and snap them on. Yeah. On. Let's get on camera. These are my tops only. Let's see. I don't know. They look big. I think I might send these back. They look a little, they look big. Perfect for taking pictures, but just on a regular day. You guys, something don't look right. Let me see. So, like, I'm trying to talk, have a conversation. Somebody's gonna be looking at my teeth like, this bitch got veneers. Like, I think I'm gonna send these back, y'all. Y'all tell me what y'all think, cause I need answers. You know what? Somebody has to be like real close up on me talking to notice. And that's also, I have to get used to. They click on very good. Alright, we gonna act like I'm starting the video. And y'all tell me what y'all think. First of all, it's weird. It feels weird. So weird. But hi you guys. I'm back. If you're new here, my name is Danny Mondi. And what's up to all of my dancers on roses? It feels so weird. Oh. I think I'm gonna send these back. Something, they're too big or something. I don't know, you guys. For me, it just, they don't look alright to me. What y'all think? They look like I am in a cartoon right now. And like, okay, hold on, they growing on me. Hold on. I'm not gonna say this company is a bad company because like they don't look terrible. Maybe it's just getting used to them. Am I talking with this? I don't know. I'm gonna have to get my kids' opinion and my boyfriend's opinion, okay? But you guys tell me down below, what do you think? I hope you guys have liked my video, and And if you want to do some pop-on veneers, because they are worth it, I think they are worth it. I think they're worth it. It's just, maybe they just have to grow on me. Let me see. Cause see right here, they look. Hi you guys, I'm back. I'm gonna get some ball pens, but I need y'all opinions down below. So go ahead and like my and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.